State students on the 28th day of March 2022, and it was duly addressed to Honorable Valentine, Asuen, CEO DVD and Gas, and senatorial aspirant of those states, of those South Senatorial District. Sir, letter of commendation. The above named association writes to vehemently applaud you, Honorable Valentine, Asuen, for your undaunted contributions to human capital development, which is a core indices for socio-economic growth and development. This commendation comes in handy as the nation is at a point where leaders with undevelopmental and selfish thoughts are celebrated, and custodians of our nation's treasury and natural resources have become seasoned looters, while individuals with sincere intentions are not appreciated enough. Sir, the union has watched closely how you and your style of leadership has affected over the years a number of persons and have led to progressive growth to those around you in my purposes and to the society at large. Your philanthropic gestures as a proven successful businessman can only be offshoot from a heart that fears God and an unparalleled passion for the masses. To this end, the National Executive Council, in conjunction with the stakeholders, past and present, have thoughtfully decided to commend you and to present to you an award of recognition. We collaborate as sincere appreciation to your youthful strength and successes in both business, society, and political spheres. Sir, the association also seeks to solidarize with you ahead of your vision to represent the people of Edo South in the hallowed chambers of the National Assembly. Without missing words, we are proud to affiliate with your vision and we are eager to particularly make your vision our mission. The letter was addressed on the 28th, and I'm glad to remind you or to inform you that we've been with you since you started your birthday celebration to all of the house they went to today to also celebrate with the children. A part of your convoy, and we said ensure that in the end we follow you, and we've seen the philanthropic gestures you have shown to those children. I want to say may God continue to bless you. Amen. This is also a letter of congratulation and acknowledgement on behalf of all the state students studying University of Benin and other concerns. Wish to heartily congratulate you on this award, which is well deserved. The award is in recognition of your goodwill, a contribution to the growth and development of our states and Nigeria at large through education, magnanimity, and giant philanthropic strides, empowering indigent members of the society and your high hospitality gestures. Indeed, you are a vibrant spirit that embodies beams of hope that will reflect positive change and impact in our society. All these and more have earned you this great honor on the 13th day of April 2022, which also duplicates as your birthday. And we sincerely hope that this force you to do more, even as we look forward to you representing the people of the South Senatorial District and the higher chamber of the National Assembly. Once again, congratulations. The letter was really signed by myself, the President of the National Association of the State Students, and right on the Sabo, the chairman of the Senatorial Committee. Once again,
thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So, on behalf of the National Association of the State Students, University of Benin, awards of recognition. This award is presented to Honorable Valentine, Asuen, CEO, DVD Oil and Gas, an aspirant of the South Senatorial District in the National Assembly. recognition for your amazing quality of work in your state, your philanthropic gestures and show of love to the people in your constituency and beyond. And I yes appreciate your absolute exceptional performances and that has endeared me in your heart. Accept best regards for the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.